Andrew Garcia. This is my partner, Carlin Phillips, and there's breaking legal news that we want to educate our consumers about.
We just heard about the problems with the banks and the robo-signers, the new term, the corporate evildoer, the robo-signer. So we wanted to explain to consumers out there what this means to you and what it means regarding your foreclosures. Now, Andrew, you looked up which attorney generals were involved in jumping into the fray to put a check and balance on the banks regarding these robo-signers. Why don't you tell us who's involved, which states?
Well, there are attorneys general all across the United States who are jumping in now, trying to get banks to stop the foreclosure steamroller from continuing. The Attorney General in California, for example, sent a demand letter to J.P. Morgan Chase and Ally Bank, demanding that they either prove that they've complied with California laws or cease the foreclosures until the mess can be sorted out. Attorneys General in Ohio, Connecticut, and Illinois have also demanded some sort of moratorium on foreclosures.
Well, now, let's explain to the people what a robo-signer is. A robo-signer is kind of a new term. I think it came up in the New York Times article about a week ago. What it is, in essence, is it's not a superhero. It's a person in a cubicle, in an office, in a corporation with a stack of documents this high, just signing off one after another on foreclosures that eventually are filed in court. And there's a number of problems with that from a legal respect. And one of the major problems is when you're signing something, you have to know what you're signing. When you file a document, typically it's called an affidavit in court, you have to have what's called personal knowledge about the document you're signing. You have to have probably reviewed the loan file and know about its contents and know the status of that loan and that foreclosure and what notices have been sent out. So when you have a robo-signer who's signing hundreds, and I think that some of the testimony in the deposition was 8,000 foreclosure files and affidavits in a month, there's a real question as to whether you have any personal knowledge about what you're signing. And if you file a document in court saying you have personal knowledge, you better have it. Because courts don't take lightly to the filing of affidavits, false affidavits, or misleading affidavits.